recording this whole time. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Christina and today we have Boxyluxe unboxing. So today we're going to be unboxing my Boxyluxe, which technically I've already unboxed it and I've tried a few things. We're going to be talking about this, my thoughts on it, my feelings, and that's what today will be. So before I jump into today's unboxing, we're going to get right into it. Definitely just make sure to hit that subscribe button. I do upload on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard, and I don't want you guys to miss out on any of my videos if these are interesting to you, or if you like me, or if you like videos, or you know, if you're just in the Friday the 13th spirit. Spooky. Definitely make sure to hit that button. And now let's just hop into today's unboxing and try on. Boxyluxe is a quarterly box that comes out through BoxyCharm. It is $50 per box. It's supposed to be, I think, $300 worth of value in the box, and you get an assortment of skincare, hair care, etc., makeup things in it. I will say, usually I get really excited about Boxyluxe. This one was a little different for me. Like, I'm not upset, but I'm also kind of underwhelmed, so there's that. The theme for the Boxyluxe was pretty edgy, which I think is just me. Just kidding, kind of. But pretty edgy is the theme. I, again, never get the themes. I don't get it from this at all, and I'll explain more why. I think a couple things fit the theme, but overall, it missed the mark for me, again. In my box, I got 8 items. Did I just count that right? Wow, I can count, good. I got 8 items in my box, and I didn't calculate for total because one of the items is $100, so I was like, okay, well, it paid for the box. That's all I'm gonna look at. And let's get into this. So the first thing that I did notice, and I did this because my friend Laynie talked about this in her unboxing. I will link her video down below if you want to go watch hers as well. But I noticed this month, I'm happy about this in some ways, and in other ways I'm like, well, what is happening? They don't have any styrofoam in the boxes anymore, and instead they're using paper. The only issue I have with that is that the paper wasn't really wrapped around anything, which is counterproductive to having paper in there. It's not going to cushion it very much. But I do like that they're trying to go to like a more eco-friendly thing, if that's what they're doing. Either that or they just didn't order enough styrofoam and that's why there's no foam in the boxes anymore. If they're going more eco-friendly, great, but I hope they get better about packing the boxes, because the way they did it this time, not really gonna help anything. Luckily nothing came broken, so I'm not gonna complain about that too much, but I did want to insert a clip so you guys could see that. It's a little weird. I know a lot of other people were like, oh, they just chucked my things in there and didn't really care what happened to them. That's kind of what it felt like for me as well. And for something we're paying $50 for, I feel like there should be a little bit more attention to detail, but I don't work for BoxyCharm, so I don't know. As for the items, when I first opened my box, I was again a little underwhelmed, and the first thing in my box the first thing on this little cheat sheet thing is this guy. This is the Sutra hair waver, which is how I curled my hair today. I think it looks the same as it always does, but I do feel like it gave a little extra shine and a little bit more volume to my hair. I think for a traveling hair wand, this is really nice. I'm actually very excited. You guys have heard me talk about this before. Me and my husband travel a lot, and these little guys come in handy, especially if we're flying somewhere. I never pack anything more than a carry-on, which I know for a lot of people they're like, how do you do that for like a week-long trip? It saves money in the long run and it keeps me from overpacking, but things like this really help out as far as like saving space, because depending on where we're going, I don't always have enough room to bring like my full-size appliances with me, or do you call them appliances? Hair appliances? So these little guys save a lot of space. I can just keep them in my suitcase at all times, so I never forget them. It's great. I've gotten a hair dryer and a straightener now, and now I have a hair curler, which is what I use more often because I have naturally wavy hair. So I am very excited about this. I got mine in a cute little yellow color, and I actually think it's really nice. I used it today and yesterday when I tried it. My stream yesterday, my hair was curled using this, and I just think it came out really nice. I think the curls are really pretty. I think it creates a nice shine, so I feel like it's nice. I will say though, because it is so small, very easy to burn your fingers, and if you have longer hair than mine, I can imagine this won't do much for you. My hair is at like an okay length for this on how I curl my hair, and I have really thin and fine hair, so it's like really easy to wrap a lot because it's not thick. But I could see if you had thick long hair, this would be absolutely pointless for you. But I think this was a pickable item this month, so I guess you wouldn't have picked it. I just let the fates decide for me. I didn't pick anything in this box. So this guy is apparently $50, and I think that's too expensive for this, quite frankly, but a lot of hair things are expensive. I've never looked into the brand Sutra, so maybe I should go look and see if that's actually the right price. But I feel like that's a little overpriced for a travel hair curler when you can get a full-size one for cheaper. I do like it though, and it's gonna be I almost hit myself in the face with it. It's gonna be very convenient for all of my traveling. This seems inappropriate. The next item that I got was one that Laynie also got in her box, so I don't know if this is something that was in everyone's box, but I'm disappointed in this just for the sheer size of it. If you can hear Wallace in the background, he is also upset. So the next thing is these two guys. These itty bitty tiny baby lotions. So these are two Sol de Janeiro lotions. We got the Coco Cabana cream and the Brazilian Bum Bum cream. I don't like the Coco Cabana cream very much. I heard they reformulated it though, so I'm gonna give it another try. We've gotten one of these before and the scent of it on my skin smelled like burnt popcorn that had been out in the sun for too long, and it gave me a headache. It wasn't my favorite, so I'm hoping they did reformulate it. I'm pretty sure I heard that they reformulated it, and when I smelled it this time, it didn't smell the same to me, so I'm gonna give this another try, seeing that this is one body use. Like, this is one use, maybe two uses. This is not gonna last very long. And then I love the Brazilian Bum Bum cream. It smells so good. I bought my mom like the entire set for her birthday and I knew my mom would love it. It smells so good. Again, bummed because this is a little tiny size. I would have rather gotten the medium size of just one of these, preferably the Bum Bum cream BoxyCharm if you're watching. But instead we got two little tiny sizes so we can try it again. I know this is expensive. I know these are expensive lotions and I know it's probably not feasible to get like the full size, especially because those are extraordinarily overpriced. But these, I don't know. I'm still glad because I really like this lotion, especially the Bum Bum cream. I'm excited I get to use it again because I don't have one, but these retail for $15 and I honestly feel gypped. The next item that I got in my box is this guy, and it looks quite phallic holding it up like that. Get your head out of the gutter. This is the PMD Beauty Smart Facial cleaner. I used it this morning and I really liked it. I felt like it actually did help me clean out my pores a lot. I have very large pores like right in here, and then I get clogged pores on my chin like super easy. It just feels like no matter what I put on my chin, it clogs it. So I actually felt like this helped get really deep in those pores. It has I think 4 different levels. Get your head out of the gutter. But I do really like this. I like the color that mine came in. It's this cute little teal. Wallace hates it. I like the color that mine came in. It's in this cute little teal color. It's nice. It has like a little stand that you can put it on in your bathroom, so it just sits right there and it just sits on your sink like that. And I am very excited that I get to use this. I think it will really help, seeing that I tend to wear makeup multiple times in a week. I think this will really help make sure all my pores are really clean. I'm really getting in there and getting everything out, and it's really good for just your skin overall. It's like a facial massage, so it's really nice. And this guy is the one that retails for $99, which is expensive. And also why I've never bought like a facial scrub like this, because most of them are pretty expensive. So I actually feel like this is probably the correct price. And for that, I'm very excited. I am very glad to have this and keep using it. Oh my, I am so sorry, you guys. Wallace is on a roll out there. Next item is a lip product, and it's one that I will not be using because it is by NARS and it's not cruelty free. So this is one of the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigments. I also am not using matte lipsticks at all. Liquid matte lipsticks. I think I'm just gonna end up decluttering like almost all of mine here soon. If you guys want to see a declutter, let me know down in the comments. But I will be giving this away to probably friends and family because the coronavirus is a thing right now, and I don't know if people want me to mail them anything. So no giveaway for you guys right now, unfortunately. I'm sorry. Everyone stay safe. Everyone wash your hands. Everyone stay indoors. Don't be friends with anybody right now. We are safe in our YouTube bubble. This does retail for $25. This is a huge chunk of like the percentage of what I paid for it. I think mine is in the color Get Up Stand Up. I looked it up the other night and I think it's a red color. I don't have the greatest memory, but it's not even a color I would probably wear. I have heard really good things about these liquid lipsticks, but again, I just don't wear liquid lipsticks anymore. So unfortunately a no-go for me. The next thing I got is from Elizabeth & Mott, and this is the Smooth Shadow Eye Pencil Duo. And at first I was like, I don't know about this, because it says it's like cream shadows. It says creamy eye pencil, and in my head I was thinking, oh, it's like a cream stick for like your lid. And I was like, I don't really like those. I don't know why. I don't like the feeling of pencil. I do know why. I stabbed myself with a pencil when I was in 4th grade in the eye, and I don't like the feeling of pencils near my eye. It makes my eyes water a lot because I think I have psychological damage from it. But these, on the other, these are just eye pencils. These are just regular good old eye pencils, and I am wearing it today as my liner, and I really like it. It's actually like waterproof. My eyes were watery yesterday when I went outside because I have allergies, and it didn't smear. They like stayed on my lids all day. They didn't smear onto my hood because I have hooded eyes. I'm really impressed with these. So I'm wearing it again today. I wore it yesterday. I got 2 colors in mine. I got a like nude color, which doesn't work in my waterline. I tried it yesterday, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one so much. But this guy is in the color Raven, I believe. Yes, this is in the color Raven, which I'm a Ravenclaw, so super appropriate. And it's like a brownie black. It looks black on my skin, honestly, but it's really, really pretty. It's really pigmented. It feels like gel, like a gel liner. That's what this is, basically. It's just a gel creamy pencil. You can sharpen these, and I think these are really nice. This one more so than this one, because I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one yet. Maybe it'll be a good inner corner highlight base to make my inner corners pop a little bit more. I don't know. I'll have to play around with this one a little bit more, I think. But these retail for $40, like for the duo, so $20 each basically is probably how they're priced. And again, they're sharpenable. They're really nice. I've never tried anything from Elizabeth & Mott, but I'm really impressed so far. I like this pencil a lot. Those items were probably the closest thing to the theme, because you can like smoke out the liner, and I'm like, oh yeah, pretty edgy. That fits, right? This next item doesn't fit to me at all. So this is a Deborah Lippmann nail polish kit, and it's pink and red. Why wasn't this in the Valentine's Day box? I'm confused by this one, I'm not gonna lie. Now I am very excited because again, it's Deborah Lippmann, and we've gotten her nail polishes before and I love them. They are very long lasting and I just really enjoy them. I actually don't have any reds or bubblegummy pinks in my collection, probably for a reason that I don't really gravitate towards these. So I'm not 100% sure I'm gonna be keeping these either. This will probably go to somebody who likes pinks and reds on them. I'm very particular about the pinks because I have a pink undertone. I don't think red is my color on my nails. I don't think I'm that powerful of a woman. I feel like I need to be like a boss woman or a CEO to wear red on my fingernails, and I just don't feel like I'm there. That maybe I need to though. They do say dress for the job you want. Maybe I'm gonna start painting my nails red. I don't know, but I just feel like this is an inappropriate thing for this box in particular. These retail for $19, which I could have swore they were more expensive than that, but I mean, they are little mini sizes. The colors are Fire on the Horizon and Can't Stop the Feeling. Again, I don't think it fits in this theme. I don't think it fits in this box. I think this would have been really nice for February. But you know, I again don't work for BoxyCharm, so. And then the last thing in my box is something I also tried, and I'm confused by this item. This is from Moroccan Oil. This is the Protect and Prevent Spray. This is for colored hair, and if you guys know me, I don't color my hair. I have grays up here that are large and in charge because I don't color my hair. The most I do is I put a colored toner on my hair, like a conditioning toner in my hair maybe every 4 months from DP That's like the most I do. So I don't really color my hair at all, and that's what this is. It says it prevents color fade and it's UV and pollution protection. So I did use it because I was like, oh well, you still need to protect your hair from UV, and it's good to just protect your hair overall. So I was like, I'll try it. I sprayed this in my hair yesterday, and I don't know, it smells like feet to me. I don't know. I don't like the scent of this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Does anyone want? I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I may keep it and just suck it up because I mean, again, it's good for your hair, but it just smells kind of like feet, and I don't really know if it does anything. Is it worth it? I like my hair to smell good, not like feet. So yeah, that's great. This guy retails for $30 and I'm underwhelmed and unimpressed. So that, guys, was my entire box. As you can tell, a little underwhelming. I didn't get that much makeup. Oh, that's what I forgot. I forgot something. The item I forgot is this. I was gonna say I didn't get any makeup really in this box, and then I forgot. BoxyCharm decided to send out their own palette, which I was on board with it first. I was like, you know what? Yeah, that's great. A lot of people are complaining that you're putting in fake product in your boxes. So yeah, come out with your own. But maybe come out with one that like actually works well. I've seen people swatch this, and the swatches with their fingers look a lot better, which I think they're lying to me. So I used this yesterday. I think my look came out okay, but it was patchy. It was really hard to work with. It was dry. It's not like a very creamy formula at all. I had a primer on my lids and powder already on, so feasibly it should have blended really well. The colors are decent. I mean, you can even see like where I used this one. It just is kind of moving weird. Like it even looks patchy in the pan. It shouldn't look patchy in the pan. So I'm not really happy with this. I'm probably gonna end up decluttering, like donating this immediately, just because it has no place in my collection. I don't think they've worked on their formula enough to be this confident to put one of their palettes in a Luxe box. I think that was a bold move, and I'm not really that impressed with it. I would prefer to get anything else, literally anything else. You could have sent me another one of those feet hairsprays and I probably would have been like, yeah, that's fine. But that's just how I feel about it. I'm not happy about the palette, but I did try. I came up with my look yesterday. The look lasted basically all day, but it was really hard to work with. It was really hard to blend, and there's that. That's my final word on that. And I think they said this palette, yeah, they say this palette retails for $39, which again, bold move, seeing that you're a subscription box company and you really have no makeup actually on the market. And if you were gonna be selling this for $39 on the market, I would not buy it. The formula needs a lot of work in my opinion, but again, that's just me. Also, I keep getting off topic, but there's a pressed glitter. This shade right here feels like sandpaper when you swatch it. Doesn't feel like it's eye safe. Why are people still putting pressed glitters in their palettes? Not eye safe. I'm not trying to go blind over here. I have eye issues already. And now I'm done. So that, guys, is my entire March Boxyluxe unboxing and try on review thing. What do you guys think? What did you guys get in your Boxyluxes this month? How did you feel about it? Are you keeping it? I'm actually debating on canceling my Boxyluxe and BoxyCharm right now because I only want one subscription box in my life, and I feel like I want to bring the Harry Potter subscription boxes back for just a little bit, and I don't want to have two subscription boxes going at the same time, but I miss my Harry Potter boxes, and I feel like I could probably take a break from BoxyCharm. But let me know, what do you guys think? Would you guys like that, or do you like the BoxyCharm unboxings? Just let me know your thoughts and comments down below. Also, make sure to have a splendid day, have a good weekend, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more, and hopefully that means I see all of you guys in my next video. Bye!